Good morning. Today we are going to be talking about the importance of InsurTech within an insurance company. My name is Takesha Lee. I am a current student of Ferris State University, and today's date is November the 7th, 2025. So let's get started. Here are some of the things we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about the importance of data in IT and insurance, four types of operational level data, an AI use case in insurance, which is an example, as well as the evaluation of AI's effectiveness of that example. And we're also going to finish it out with real world InsurTech innovation. Sorry. So, to start, we're going to start with why data in IT and insurance matter. So, in today's insurance landscape, data and information technology are absolutely essential. First, they drive operational efficiency, which automates routine tasks like claims processing, underwriting, which reduces error and speeds up service delivery. Second, they enhance the customer experience by enabling personalized services and faster response times. Many insurers now offer digital self service options that make it easier for the customer to manage their policies, which the customer would have their policy at their fingertips and can look at the policy at any given time. Third, data analytics plays a critical role in the risk assessment and pricing. And by analyzing customer behavior and historical data, insurers can better understand risk profiles and set more accurate premiums. Fourth, IT systems help ensure regulatory compliance by managing documentation and reporting requirements, which is crucial in a heavily regulated industry. Advanced analytics and AI are increasingly used for fraud detection, which identifies suspicious patterns and preventing fraudulent claims before they're paid out. And lastly, data supports strategic decision making. Real time insights allows insurers to adapt quickly to market change and make smarter business decisions. So overall, data and IT are not just the support roles, they're strategic assets that drive profitability, compliance, and customer satisfaction in the insurance industry. Now we're going to talk about the four types of operational level data in insurance. Um, so insurance companies, they rely on these four main types of the operational level data to function effectively. The first The first one is underwriting data that includes information about the applicant, such as the risk that they're and the risk they're being insured. So this data helps insurers assess the risk and determine appropriate pricing. Second, claims data, which are details of the reported incident, including the nature of the claim, the amount requested, and how it's resolved. This data is vital for identifying any trends or detecting fraud. Third, the policy data. It contains all the specifics of insurance policies, such as coverage limits, deductibles, endorsement, renewal history. This is important because it manages the customer's account in servicing the policy. And lastly, the last level data is financial data, which that includes premium collected, claims paid, reserve, and investment income. So this supports the financial reporting and helps ensure that the company remains solvent and profitable. So altogether, these data types, they form the backbone of the insurance operation, enabling informed decision making across departments. So now we're going to look at our AI use case in insurance. So this AI case was used using our good friend ChatGPT. So, for my AI use case, I focused on the claims process, specifically how AI can assist in evaluating coverage and estimating payouts. Claims adjusters typically they review incident reports, policy language, and any supporting documents to determine if the claim is covered and how much should be paid out to the customer. This process is very time consuming and prone to inconsistencies. So, with AI, we can automate this initial triage. This generative AI model can help analyze the incident description, cross reference it with the policy coverage terms, and suggest whether the claim is valid. It can even estimate the payout based on the policy limit and deductibles, which is great. So using ChatGPT, I tested the concept by inputting a sample scenario and policy excerpt, and the AI was able to provide a reasonable determination and payout estimate. This approach could significantly reduce the workload for the adjusters, speed up the claim resolution, as well as improve the customer satisfaction. So, the customer experience. While human oversight is essential, AI can serve as a powerful support tool in the claim process. So, now we're going to talk about the evaluation of AI's effectiveness in claims processing. So, to evaluate the AI's effective in claim processes, I tested a scenario, of course, using ChatGPT. So, what I did was provide a sample incident description with that policy language, which, as I talked about before, included the coverage limits and the deductible. So AI was to determine whether coverage applied or even estimated a reasonable payout. It also flagged potential exclusions, which used promise for assisting adjusters. However, it struggled with ambiguous policy terms and required clarification. So, this highlights the need for human oversight, especially in complex or emotional sensitive cases. So overall, AI can be a powerful tool for claims triage. And some of those strengths that can help with that is it helps to speed up the process, improve the consistency, but it's not a replacement for human judgment. Instead, it should be viewed as a support system that enhances efficiency and accuracy in claims handling. So, we're going to talk about the Otani AI driven cargo insurance, which they are a technology platform that uses AI and blockchain enabled underwriting to ensure cargo delays and supply chain disruption. Some of those key features include instant underwriting and digital quotes, lightning fast claims processing, and data driven risk modeling with alternative data, and parametric insurance with automated triggers. Some of the impacts that they have on the industry include reducing claims and cycle time and administrative costs, as well as improving transparency and risk pricing through data and tech. So, filing the date and filing the delay risk gap in cargo insurance. So, overall, this is what our presentation is on. You can see the references that I use in order to complete this presentation, which includes ChatGPT, our required textbook, which is the Institute, and we use a website that describes the InsurTech's innovation in cargo insurance. Thank you so much for listening.